Hello everyone, this is Mike at Spyder Ryder. We're going to do a quick unboxing today as part of my fitness vlog of my channel, Spyder Ryder Extras. We're going to unwrap this, take a look at these hiking shoes. They're from Keen. We'll get a first look and impressions. I bought these on Amazon, you can tell from the packaging, for around $125. On their website, the MSRP are around, usually for Keens, around $125 to $160. Right, this is a men's shoe, size, pretty sure I ordered 11 and a halves. All right, there we go. Yeah, Keen 11 and a half. And you can see the model is a, probably pronounced Target 3. Right, just open this up and take a look. Typical SF shoe packaging. All right, well, very first impressions, I'd have to say very nice. They look very sturdy, very well built. All right, set these to the side and move the box out of the way. Be right back with everyone. Now, are these the best hiking shoes? I've had several pairs of hiking shoes. I had a few pair of the Keens. What I could say very first impressions taking them out of the box, I mean, they look like they're very high quality. They're made in Portland, Oregon. So American made. Like I said, these are a size 11.5. And this model is the men's Target 3. They weigh about 15.87 ounces. They are waterproof, and they're the low profile design. Now, some of the major features, besides being lightweight, they're waterproof. They use the Keen dry waterproof system, or their technology. It's moisture wicking. The liner is moisture wicking. And it also has odor absorbing tech. Keens usually have a wider base also. I guess that's for better stability. They're known for that. And if you look inside here, this material is vented. It lets the air out, but does not let water in. Some of the other features for traction, for mud and rock climbing, obviously. It has 4mm lugs for excellent traction, especially on those rocky slopes and trails. Also non-marking rubber outsoles. Now, as far as support, it has what they call the ESS system, which stands for the Torsion Stability External Support Shank. It's supposed to provide support on all uneven surfaces. Also, it has a TPU, which is a heel capture system, which is supposed to keep your ankle and heel stable inside the shoe. And you can actually see it, how it rises up on the sides all the way around to keep your heel from moving around inside the shoe. And lastly, as far as fitting comfort, like I said, it's a low profile upper, has the padded tongue. The dual density footbed inside is removable. You can actually add your own custom orthotics if you need them. I'm going to try this with the orthotic that came with it first, because I do have some trouble with plantar fasciitis, so I might have to put my own orthotics in them. But I will give them a try on my own with the regular Keen inserts. And overall, so far, I mean, just looking at them, the quality of the build, I mean, I'm very satisfied. I'm going to go on a couple hikes in the upcoming week, and I'll post a review, let you guys know what I think. But yeah, first impressions, definitely looks like a great shoe. Guys, thanks for joining me. This is Mike at Spyder Ryder Extras, and have a wonderful day.